how to use link to Windows or connect phone to PC. So if you want to use link to Windows and connect your phone to your PC, then just follow the steps. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you need to go with your Microsoft Store and go with the search. And under search, you need to search for PhoneLink. And once you search for PhoneLink here, you might get the application of PhoneLink. You just need to simply go and install the application. Or if you don't want to install any applications and if you want to just connect to your Windows, then what you need to do is just open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with system and then scroll down and choose the option of projecting to this PC, and then go with launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. Click on that option, and here you need to open up your mobile device. So simply go with your mobile, and once you open up your mobile device, now you just need to simply go with mirroring option. Tap on smart mirroring. Once you tap on it, now here you will have the desktop name or the available devices. So you just need to simply tap on that device. On the laptop or computer, you need to go with launch the wireless display app. And on the mobile screen, you just need to simply tap on the screen casting. And now select the device, tap on it. And now you can see that the mobile device has been connected. So you can simply control your mobile device from your laptop. So you can simply open up anything like Instagram, Chrome, WhatsApp, or anything that you're comfortable with. And then you can use your mobile device on your computer screen. And if you want to stop that mirroring, then you just need to simply go with your phone and then tap on the mirroring option. Under mirroring, you just need to simply tap on disconnect. Once you tap on disconnect, then your mirroring will be disconnected. So that's it. In this way, you'll be able to connect phone to your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.